Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some sweet potato wedges using some jerk season on it. So as you can see right there guys, I've got some cutted sweet potato right there in my bowl, and that's how I cut it. You don't want it to be too small because obviously it's wedges. So guys, I'm using at least 3 medium-sized potato and 1 large one, okay? Sweet potato is so hard to cut, so please take your time, okay? So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of jerk seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And guys, I'm gonna also add some jerk marinade to my sweet potato. So I'm using Dunn's River Fall jerk marinade, okay? You can get it in your Caribbean shop or even your supermarket, okay? So first guys, I'm gonna start off by pouring at least 3 spoonfuls of olive oil to my sweet potato. You can always use vegetable oil just for it to be nice and moist. Then I'm just gonna take my hands and just mix it all in, okay? Just make sure all your sweet potato is covered with your oil. So to my seasoning, I add some salt, but you don't need a lot of salt, okay? Just a pinch. So now as you can see, I'm mixing my seasoning just a bit, and I just take in my hands and just pour it all over on my sweet potato. So now I'm just taking my hands and just mix all that seasoning all over on my sweet potato. And I'm just adding my remaining seasoning as you can see. So now I'm gonna add my jerk marinade, and I'm gonna add at least 1.5 spoonful, because you don't need a lot guys, because otherwise it's gonna be too spicy. So add at least 1 to 2 spoonful, and that's it. So now I'm just gonna take my hands and just rub all that jerk marinade all over on my sweet potato. So now I'm gonna bake my sweet potato wedges. So here I have my baking tray, and to my baking tray I add some foil paper, and I also add some olive oil to my baking tray guys, so my potato doesn't stick, okay? So you're just gonna take your hand and just spread it all across. Just make sure everything is all covered with the olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you're using. So now, as you can see, I'm adding my sweet potato wedges to my baking tray. Just make sure, guys, it is spaced out, okay? So now, guys, I'm gonna put my sweet potato in my oven for at least 35 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. Okay, so stay tuned. So, guys, I just removed my sweet potato wedges from my oven, and that's what it look like. And I'm just flipping it over so it bake evenly. So before I put back my sweet potato wedges in my oven, I'm just gonna add just a bit more olive oil to my sweet potato. So as you can see, I've got my brush right there, and I'm just brushing the olive oil on my sweet potato just a bit. So guys, I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 30 minutes, okay? So guys, my sweet potato wedges is finally finished, and I'm telling you, it looking so yummy. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share this video to all of your families, to all your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it, guys. Please do me a favor. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these. And hit your notification button, guys, for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it, okay? So now I'm just plating up my sweet potato wedges. You can serve it with some chicken wings, or even you can have them on its own with some salad, whatever you preferred, okay? So I'm just gonna garnish my sweet potato wedges with some spring onions. And guys, I'm telling you, it looks so yummy. Trust me, just look at the color. It's just perfect. Nice, golden, yum. So now I'm just gonna taste some of my sweet potato wedges. So here I have some barbecue sauce on the side. So I'm just dipping my potato wedges in my barbecue sauce. And guys, I'm telling you, it was so yummy. It was super, super delicious. It was a bit spicy, but it was good. Yeah, it was good. You don't have to make it to be this spicy. You can add at least 1 spoonful of the jerk season and it will come out perfect. Please comment below and tell me if you try this recipe, okay? Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing and keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, stay blessed, love ya, bye.